Login failed on Betterment Tax Loss Harvesting featureapp flow fix. You open the Betterment app to check your portfolio or adjust your tax loss harvesting settings and suddenly, login failed. It's annoying, especially when you're trying to make smart moves with your taxes. But don't worry, the solution is usually simple and most people overlook it. First, make sure the issue isn't with the feature itself. Many users think the tax loss harvesting tool has its own login, but it doesn't. It's part of your main Betterment account. So, if your login fails here, it's a general account access issue, not something specific to that feature. Start with your credentials. Check that you're entering your email and password correctly. Betterment logins are case sensitive. If you've forgotten your password, tap Forgot Password to reset it. Be sure to check your spam folder if the reset link doesn't arrive. If you're using the app, try clearing your cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app. On Android, go to your settings, find Betterment and tap Clear Data. Then reopen the app and try again. Outdated app versions are another common culprit. Betterment frequently updates its app for security and regulatory compliance. Head to your app store and make sure you're using the latest version. If you're using a browser, clear cookies and cache, or switch to another browser like Chrome or Firefox. Also, disable any VPN or proxy you might be using. Betterment blocks suspicious logins from unfamiliar apps for your protection. Finally, check your two-factor authentication settings. If your verification code isn't coming through or has expired, you'll need to regenerate it. These codes usually expire within 60 seconds. If all else fails, wait 10 to 15 minutes. It might just be temporary maintenance on Betterment servers. So, when your Betterment login fails while managing tax loss harvesting, don't stress. With a few quick fixes, verifying your credentials, updating the app, and checking your connection, you'll be back optimizing your portfolio and maximizing tax savings in no time.